Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mikkel. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm going to talk about rain in the summertime. In the summertime, it's really hot, sticky, and icky. Like in the summertime when it's in the 90s, like around 96, 98, and near 100 degrees outside. Or a lot of times they do reach 100 degrees. And the humidity be so high. I be sweating. A lot of times in the summertime, I get headaches because I do food delivery. I drive for Uber Eats, Grubhub. Sometimes I do Postmates and DoorDash. I do it. I did it one time. I don't do DoorDash all that much, but I'm out delivering food. And in the summertime, it be hot and I be sweating. I'm in my car, even though I got the air conditioner on in my car, but I have to get out and drop the food. I have to go to the restaurants and pick up the food, and I have to drive to the customers' houses, and then I have to get out the car and drop their food off to them. So when I get out the car and it's summertime, it be so hot and sweating. I see the sweat pouring all down my face and I get headaches. And in the summertime, I feel sluggish. I feel sluggish and drained, like I'm tired. Sometimes I have to stop and take a break. I have to take a long break. I have to take longer breaks and rest more in the summertime because of all the heat and humidity. I feel tired, sluggish. I feel drained a lot of times. So in the summertime when all the heat is going on, but then when it rain, I like when it rain in the summer because once it start raining, all the cool rain it start coming down and it cool you off for a little while. Like in the summertime, like when it's raining, I like to get out in the rain. I like to get out and stand in the rain in the summertime because all the heat, sweat, and feeling sluggish, as soon as it start raining, when I get out and I stand in the rain, I feel all the cool rain, all the cool water and rain is coming down on my body, and it feels so good. It cools me off. I'm like, ah. After that, I feel so much. I feel much cooler and refreshed. I don't feel, and I'm not. I feel a little better. I don't feel as sluggish and tired as I did at first. So I want to encourage you all to just try it. In the summertime, if it's scorching hot and then when it start raining, just get out and stand in the rain and appreciate all the cool, wet water just coming and flowing down your body. Just enjoy and embrace it. I made a previous video called Listen to the Rain. In that video, I talked about how you should just go to the window and watch the rain come down. Watch and listen to the rain as it come down your window sills and your window panes. Just sit and meditate and listen to the rain as it's falling down. I spoke about how the rain is a good meditation for your mind. Yeah, I spoke and talked about how the rain is a good meditation for you, and it soothes your mind. It can relax you and relax your nerves. And so just try the technique. Like, just try to meditate and, and the rain coming down. It can make you feel at peace and in harmony with yourself. But like again, in the summertime, I suggested, I know in the summertime you be in the heat, tired, sluggish, you have to work, and then if you're out in the heat, that hot sun is beaming down on you all day, and the sun could be scorching hot and just beaming down on your body and burning you. So when the rain come, all the cool rain just come pouring down on you. Just get out, stand in it, hold your arms out, embrace and enjoy it. A lot of times, sometimes it be raining and the sun be out at the same time. And I think it's amazing looking. I like when it's raining and the sun is out at the same time. I like it. I enjoy seeing it. The old saying is that the devil is beating his wife. That's the old saying of when it's raining and the sun is out at the same time. But I think it's pretty. In the summertime, rain and the sun out together at the same time. I think it's a pretty atmosphere. It's so pretty and nice, and I like seeing it. I enjoy it. And so a lot of times I know some people don't like cloudy and rainy days, but cloudy and rainy days are not bad all the time. A lot of times, I used to think it too. I used to get down and upset when it was cloudy and raining, but I learned that I've had some good times in cloudy and rainy days. Sometimes they're fun. Some cloudy and rainy days are funner than hot and sunny days. All hot and sunny days are not good. You can have bad luck on sunny on sunny and nice days, and I mean, you can have bad luck on sunny and nice days, but you can have good luck on cloudy and rainy days. So cloudy and with rain and rainy days, it can be nice and good sometimes. So I enjoy all days. I enjoy when it's I learned to enjoy when it's sunny and nice outside, sunny, warm and nice, and I learned to enjoy when it's cloudy and rainy, because on some cloudy, rainy days, I feel more better and at peace with myself. Like I say, so when it rain, the rain is not all the time about you. The rain is not all the time about you taking shelter and hiding from it. it's not all the time you just want to be inside when it rains. You should always want to go inside and hide from the rain. You should sometimes want to get out in the rain and embrace it. You should sometimes want to get soaked and drenched in the rain. Just go outside, get soaked and drenched and real wet in the rain. Sometimes you should want that because sometimes you can get relaxed, calm your nerves and emotions down, and just feel so much more refreshed, rejuvenated, and be at more peace, harmony, and balance with yourself in that moment. So again, I learned this in life. I've learned this lesson in life. And I want to tell you all about this lesson that I have learned. Remember, always, always, always remember, don't take shelter and go inside and hide from the rain all the time. Sometimes go out in the rain, embrace it, get soaked and drenched in the rain, and enjoy all the cool, wet water and rain. Enjoy the rain just flowing all down your body. Enjoy the rain coming down all the way from your head to your feet. Yeah, so learn to just don't always run away from the rain. Learn to go out in the rain and face it and embrace it and just live in the moment as you're getting soaked and drenched. Just live in the moment of the rain coming all down your body. Just live in the moment. Embrace it and be happy about it, because afterwards you can feel rejuvenated and so much better. I'm Mikal. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you all in the next video. And hit the notification bell. Each time I make a video, you'll be notified. Bye. Peace. One love. I'm out.